Good morning, dear student. Today we are explain chapter 3rd, India after freedom. India gets independence in 1947 and Jawaharlal Nehru becomes the first prime minister in 1947. Assassination of Mahatma Gandhi in 1948. Integration of princely states and India hockey team wins gold medal in London Olympics in 1948. India becomes a sovereign democratic republic. Constitution of India comes into force. Dr. Rajendra Prasad becomes the first president in 1950. India hosts first Asian Games at Delhi in 1951. First general elections and India hockey teams wins gold medal in Helsinki, Finland Olympics in 1952. Recognition of state on linguistic basis and India hockey team wins gold medal in Melbourne Australian Olympics in 1956. Introduction of decimal currency system in 1957. India hockey team wins silver medal in Rome, Italy Olympics in 1960. Liberation of Goa from Portuguese rule and India's first aircraft carrier INS Vikram commissions in 1961. China attacked India and Dr. S. Radhakrishnan becomes the president in 1962. Nagaland becomes a state in 1963. Lal Bahadur Shastri becomes the first minister and India hockey team wins gold medal in Tokyo, Japan Olympics in 1964. Pakistan attacked India in 1965. Tashkent Pact between India and Pakistan. Lal Bahadur Shastri died at Tashkent. Indira Gandhi became the first woman prime minister and Haryana became a state in 1966. Dr. Zakir Hussain became the president in 1967. Indian hockey team wins bronze medal in Moscow Olympics in 1968. Dr. Zakir Hussain dies and V.V. Giri becomes the president. And nationalization of leading banks in 1969. Himachal Pradesh became a state and Indo-Pak War 1971. Meghalaya, Manipur and Tripura become new states. Simla agreement between India and Pakistan. Indian hockey team wins bronze medal in Munich-based Germany Olympics in 1972. Mysore state renamed Karnataka 1973. India conducts its first successful nuclear test in 1974 and Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed became the president in 1974. India launched its first satellite Aryabhat. Sikkim became a state. Imposition of energy emergency in 1975. The preamble to the Constitution of India amended in 1976. Morarji Desai became the Prime Minister in 1977 and Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy became the President in 1977. Charan Singh became the Prime Minister in 1979. Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister again, and Indian hockey team wins gold medal in Moscow Soviet Junior Olympics in 1980. Jenny Jail Singh becomes the president, and India hosts 9th Asian Games in 1982. India wins the 3rd Cricket World Cup under the captains of Kapil Dev in 1983. Operation Blue Star takes place in Punjab. Rakesh Sharma becomes the first Indian to travel in space. Rajiv Gandhi becomes the Prime Minister. Bhopal gas tragedy, injuries, nuclear